My guts feel so bad. Well, now they're relieved because I went. Anyways, I went fasting. Fasting. That's how. Like I. Like I. It feels like I need to just drink water. You know, drink water. Drink a ton of water until like my body regulates the gut. Just everything just clear. You know, until I get really hungry, and then but it feels like I need to do a detox. Like that's what it feels like. I need to do some sort of detox. That's what it feels like. And with just water and fasting, that's it. And don't need to buy shit. What's good to eat, drink on the detox? Vinegar. That's, that's what people were doing to pass the piss test. They were drinking vinegar. uh, anyway, something natural, hopefully. Good for. Anyway, like a smoothie would be nice, but I'm not really, I don't really feel like consuming, consuming it. Yeah. Roommates. I don't have a roommate. He left. Ah, doing that shit on camera. All this shit could be memes. All this whole shit could be a fucking meme. Just sneezing and shit. Just sneezing, trying to give knowledge. Sneeze. I can't help it. I can't help it. Probably can't. Think it's legal. Anyway, I would stop if it was serious enough. Shit.